next question will be future of software engineering in this AI era. People say that software engineers' role has been changed, specifically the junior engineers, because the junior engineering part is now taken up by AI. ऑटोमेट हो गई हैं चीज़ें, अभी आप पास आउट होने वाले हो. व्हाट्स योर टेक ऑन दैट?
जैसे हम देख रहे हैं कि इंडस्ट्री ट्रांजिशन फेज में अभी, या कुछ इंडस्ट्रीज ऑलरेडी ट्रांजिशन हो चुकी है. We see that TCS, mass hiring companies are adapting AI, but the companies who have built AI, like OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, they have already developed it and they have transitioned towards AI first companies.
Yeah, right.
So the difference that we see is adoption of AI across companies. And when we as a recent pass outs or students who want to enter into industry, we look towards these companies very differently.
Okay.
So if I am having the web development mindset, or I am having a mindset that the thing that is told to me, I'll do it, that's it.
Okay.
Then I can't survive, because the business understanding or the questions that we ask are much needed. Because if we are just going towards a perspective that I will be a code monkey, so code monkey is a term in tech which is said that if I tell you to do something, you just do it and come back to me end of the cycle.
अपना दिमाग नहीं लगाने वाले लोग.
Yeah, so if that happens, you
You're not
are
going to
going to be surviving. But the term software engineering has now moved towards something different. So software engineering is still a position, still a job title, but the work that software engineer is doing is changing. You have to also learn about platform engineering. You also have to learn about how to deploy things. So MLOps, the DevOps part that we have been hearing since last decades or 2-3 decades, and DevOps has changed its position towards MLOps. So now you're shipping machine learning models with operations.
Operations, right.
Then software engineer should be aware of these things. It should not be, he might not have hands-on experience with MLOps, but he should be aware. So if I want tomorrow that my software engineer should work on this, he should be ready. So adaptability is the skill that will make you enter this market and survive.